Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording and select Allow in the pop-up if you never used it before. Then tap on the same red button again. As you can see, after that, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on the same button. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the square one on the left. Now, name your recording however you want to, and choose OK in the pop-up. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to select Edit at the top right corner. Tap on recording that you wish to get rid of, and choose Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!